Unboxing of the CJ Pony Parts blow-off valve.
It's called a turbosmart compact dual port blow-off valve.
turbosmart blow-off valve.
It was already open, but the box on the inside wasn't opened already.
Oh, there's, what's the name? Evo. Evo 8? No, that's a 9. Evo 9 with the, no, it's Evo 8 with the Evo 9 turbo. Don't know.
Made, designed, and made in...
Stop.
No.
Yeah,
This is the real blow-off valve. Oh.
Stop. Get this trivia right here.
It's actually my mod.
This is supposed to replace your stock diverter valve.
Alright.
It's my new mod.
The most important part. Sticker. To be faster.
KB, that's just a
Plus 5 horsepower.
Hey, you're full shiz, bitch.
Plus 5 horsepower automatically.
Yeah.
We got a bunch of hardware. I'm not sure what that does. What's this?
Kind of black. And the tuner rims.
So let's go in place.
You got a special.
Yeah, that's definitely the spot.
It is, isn't it?
I bet you this plums. I assume that it plumbs into your intake.
Yeah. Softer.
You can control how much it shoots out, how much it. So it's like a half and half diverter valve. So there you go. That vents to atmosphere right there,
If you tore that beat,
and that vents back into your intake.
Sweet.
wow, that's cool. Can
So-
you play some 5-minute crafts over this shiz the whole time we're doing this?
No.
Alrighty.
Now we gotta learn how it goes.
Or Forza.
I saw
Forza.
Take me away.
Pop das Hood. Pop das Hood. So I can see what line goes to your diverter valve. We'll be back.
On your car. Slave labor.
How is it from down there? You gotta pull this shoes off. It's gonna be back there. You gotta get. You're gonna have to get to the back. It's gonna be at the back side. You gonna pull. What is these? T25 torch bits all the way around.
27. T27.
T27s.
Does it get bigger or smaller as the numbers go higher or what?
I'm pretty sure as it gets bigger.
So T25 is a little bigger.
No, I mean it's opposite. T20.
So these it should probably be like T28s, T29s, but this is all we got.
I think they only go by twos.
Oh, then it probably T29s. Well, then why is it 27s?
I got at my shop. We got a T25, a T27, a T30, a T20, and a T15.
This would be a good time to check the downpipe too. To check everything, see if it's stock.
Yeah.
Because I know
Your subframe's a little bit in the way though compared to my car.
I know what's it called is
Borla.
stock. The blow-off valve won't be stock after this either.
No. Well, it's a diverter valve from the factory.
Yeah.
Supposedly you get more boost lag or turbo lag. I mean, in between shifts, but it sounds cool.
How much though?
I don't know. We'll have to see.
Because I'll just keep the other one.
Because usually it's diverting all the air from the turbo back into the intake system, and this just vents it to atmosphere. So. Can you see your downpipe or anything? Oh my God, this thing is squeezed in here. So your turbo's right there above your axle. Here, I'll let you get in there. He's on the last bolt, and here's the stock one. Just got a nipple on the end. Don't know what that was.
Really?
Yeah.
So they just let you go?
All I did was get tested on Spanish every time I was there.
What'd they say?
How do you say?
¿Cómo se dice?
When I was like,
¿Cómo se dice how? I don't think that's friend zone. I feel like she wants him to.
she says,
I feel like she wants him to commit, and if she.
why are you videoing
No,
my...
man. She was like, look.
This is total drama island right
Are you
here,
getting
bro.
your egg clapped, Bailey?
This is the thing, guys.
Bailey's getting. You have no excuse.
Look.
You dated 2 chicks.
Look.
West Mountain Motorsports isn't just about cars.
It's about life.
It's about our lives too. About Brock, sorry.
I'm a virgin.
I got a castle. No.
Bailey, shut up.
I built a pretty cool house on that castle.
Bailey
Next
told
to
me
the
that
castle.
once he gets married, he's gonna forget about Minecraft.
No, I didn't. Shut
Yeah, you
up.
did, liar.
Are you kidding me?
If my wife doesn't want to play Minecraft,
Your
then-
wife better like Minecraft, or she ain't even your wife. She's just a dishwasher.
Oi, Shima.
Boom, got her.
Oi, Shima. You seen them.
I love women. That was just a sexual joke because that was not cool. I
That was a
love women.
sexist joke.
Sorry, not sexual, sexist. I like girls. Because you're nice and full of spirit.
And play Minecraft.
Girls don't suck. I'd say girls just have a hard time knowing if they're.
No, do you remember that? Do you remember the thing I said about nailing Jello to a tree?
Yeah, dude.
He'll get the girls, but then he won't tell them or anything, and just
I hate you.
he has no commitment, and then just all of a sudden wonders why it's an on-off situation.
Oh.
He never tells them how he feels.
Hey, but you're trying to work. I said, hey, you're pretty cute.
I try too hard. I don't talk to nobody. What the f you talking about?
Jay don't even try. Rock.
I got that on film, bro.
Sorry. That hurt.
Is
You surprised?
Cut. Oh, you hear that? That's some Darth Vader shit. Turn it up more if you want. You want to? You can.
What? Do what?
Turn the blow off up more. That's pretty cool.
Bro, that.
Should I do it harder or softer?
Harder.
Harder, and it will blow out more.
How do you turn it up?
You just
No,
straight turn the housing.
Softer, make it blow off it lower, which we want, right?
I don't know. We'll just
Try
we'll
both,
test.
B.
We'll test. There's instructions on the internet. Dude, that thing popped so many times.
It went.
Bop, 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 bop.
How cold is it?
It's the engine's straight on
Dude,
fire.
women are hard.
Oh! I thought you were going for a sack tap. Don't pull that on me, B.
They're harder than me when I see Fuguzi.
Dude, that was pretty dope. You told me not to record that shiz. I wouldn't be missing that.
I just didn't know if it was gonna.
You can't even hear it because the pops are
Too loud.
ridiculous.
Yeah.
I can't tell. I don't think we showed them that. Hold on.
It's right there.
Does that look like an aftermarket downpipe?
Where is it?
You can't even hardly see it.
Right there.
It's behind that bracket. That big old circular bracket.
Right there.
It kind of looks stock, actually, from this.
Does it kinda look
this
stock?
angle? Yeah.
But it's super blued. Maybe that's just how they are. I don't know.
I don't know.
We're trying to figure out what parts on this car are stock and what are aftermarket, because we need to buy. We're gonna get a kit, the Mountoon B7 kit for it, and in order to buy it, we need to have know what parts are stock and what parts are
Actually, that didn't do anything.
aftermarket. We bought this car, and it had I was washing it, and I found that, and I was like, wait, what's that? So then I looked under, and it's a borla.
Get the angles. Oh, I'm videographer now.
Okay, so I'm gonna try it now. Tell me if it sounds more or less, or what it sounds like.
You gotta go up pretty high. Well, how much did you turn it? Have to turn or something? Oh, you're gonna get your head sliced off.
Ew.
That's some gay shoes.
It sounds loud, but everybody's right. It's impossible.
You probably drive around without the mount.
Oh yeah, you definitely can.
Go on rolling in it and go. Bend the whole hood.
I'm sure there's no, come get in really quick. I'm sure the reason it's not pushing out any boost. Are you coming?
No.
Is because there's no load on the engine.
Clayton, guide me out. Make sure I don't drive off. Clayton, go on the front.
The fronte.
Don't turn your wheels. You should be fine.
Cause
Whoa!
Dude, that is awesome!
maybe when you tighten it up.
That's pushing more boost, dude. What?
Don't max it. Don't max it.
Dude, I'm pushing way too much. That was like 20. That was like 25 pounds of boost.
All right, yeah, you need to loosen up
It's
a little
way
bit.
faster now. Is it?
Yeah. Did y'all feel your little shiz that we got?
How was that possible?
Get your
when
arm
you
to the
tighten-
side, Bailey.
Alcohol.
Oh,
Oh,
look at the hand contrast.
ecstasy.
Ooh.
I
All
can't.
right, guys.
Your hands are dirty.
We've had some problems. So it was on.
We blew the motor.
The intercooler tube.
Intercooler.
on the
Here, I'll
left
show you.
side blew off.
So we had the turbosmart tightened up too much, so it was pushing 25 pounds of, or not 25, 20 pounds of boost, and we popped that. You can't see. We popped that intercooler pipe off. It was just dangling, so we were making 0 pounds of boost, and it was squealing really bad. So we figured that out, put it back on, and then we were trying to figure out why it was still only making 8 pounds of boost on the stock diverter. It's not a diverter valve.
Let's just blame it on Brock since he's not here.
Yeah, it's all Brock's fault. Anyway, we dropped this O-ring that goes around here in the oil pit. We couldn't find it. We ran it with that. It only made 8 pounds of boost. So we're pulling it back off and putting the turbosmart back on. Now that we figured out how to run this thing,
We're not gonna push it too hard.
and we're turning it all the way out to see if we can just get it to make proper boost and not blow any pipes
How
off.
hard is it to tighten back up?
It's 3 bolts. But
No, meaning.
hey, whoa. What's that?
That was the one I found down here.
Okay.
I specifically felt them, made sure they were on their like turbo.
Okay. I'm putting this in your, maybe it's an extra. I'm putting this in here. Boop.
Once my car stops at exactly 15 pounds of boost, and sounds like a
Freight train.
sounds like fixing Paul Walker's
Jake brick.
no
R34?
Paul Walker's R34, then I'll be happy.
Okay.
It will pretty quick here. Ooh. I'm just trying to work without looking.
Whoa.
Sorry, I was getting possessed.
You seen
Blame it on that.
me. Don't you hate when like halfway through tightening a bolt you forget which way is right and which way is left, and then you untighten it and then you
Actually, I never do that
okay.
Yeah, you do.
because I'm actually Chef Boy RD and my hand abilities are subpar.
How's the Datsun going?
Chef Boy RD doesn't fix that.
Doesn't fix cars.
He
That's
just
why.
makes cans of ramen.
So we should be able to
Spaghetti ramen.
run this thing good now.
Italian ramen.
Sounds good to me.
Just blows off.
Let's see. How many pounds of boost? It's not over boosted. Oh,
It will overboost.
it just did. I just pushed a lot of pounds.
Yeah,
But it sounds good.
But it is blowing off good. We just gotta adjust it, right? Softer. Wouldn't you do softer?
Yeah,
Or harder?
we'll look into it. But it sounds freaking delish.
And you don't hear like a high pitched whistle, do you?
No, it's back to normal.
Bro, that sounds like a straight tuner.
Yeah, well, you are a tuner. How much throttle are you doing? Is it only,
Barely. I'm doing barely
will it-
throttle.
will it overboost if you're doing full
If
throttle?
I full throttle, it'll overboost to 30 instantly.
30?
Yeah, like I could easily hit 30 right now.
Are you serious?
Yeah, when I quarter throttled it and it went to like 15.
Dang.
It's boosted half right now.